me wonder who you might be playing with. Makes me wonder who.
If you are new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, January 17th. Girl, I can't even keep track. We've had a snow day, a delay, and all kinds of stuff. Weather is a little bit crazy over here, but you know, it's New England. I'm used to it. But yeah, so welcome back to my channel. We got a few things going today. I've got a Brazilian wax, a brow tint and wax, and a full set of lashes, all for one client. That is all I have on the schedule today, which is good because I've got quite a few errands to run. We'll see. I might take you guys along with me. Maybe I'll do a whole separate video for that. I'm not sure yet.
Mrs. I got things that's so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things that's so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to be, you're comfortable. I know, I can't let you go. I know. Mrs. I got things that's so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things that's so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
So yesterday, during my snow day, I ended up sending out a promo email for the month of February. It might seem early, but just like you can see in the stores, everybody's putting out whatever their promos are for the month of February now. In fact, they were doing it in December too, which I think is kind of crazy. But anyway, here's what my promo looks like. We are going to be doing some custom chocolate facials for the month of February, and we are also going to incorporate some couples facials. As you guys know, I have a tenant here, so I am going to get her on board so that we can do facials together. I also want to try new lash styles, and one way to do it is for model prices, and another way to do it is this. So I am offering $25 off of your full set of what I'm calling a pixie lash look. I think it's super pretty and nice and light and fluffy, but you can also kind of play around with the lengths and the fullness of it, but still kind of get that crisscross type of look. I'm also offering a buy one get one free. So if you purchase a Brazilian wax, you'll be getting the vajacial for free. No code necessary. Sometimes I like to add this out of pure laziness. Other times I like to add it because it just makes it easier for the client. And since I'm doing it for all of February, there's no point in putting in a code. I will start and stop from the first day of February to the end of February. And anybody who's booking a Brazilian will get a free vajacial if they so choose. So that is what my promo deals are so far anyway. If I offer anything additional, I will be sending out an additional email. But what I'm going to do is also post this on my Instagram. You want to make sure you're cross promoting pretty much everywhere. My phone storage is like super full, so every time I try to record, it just clicks out. So anyway, I'm gonna record what I can. I deleted some stuff, but yeah, today's not going the way it should go. I'm rolling with the punches, but yeah, girl, I'm tired, annoyed, and all of that. I'm about to unpack all the things that I got from Walmart. I didn't even make it out to Cosmoprof, but that's okay. And I just got some Viva paper towels, my favorite. I got some of those. I got some trash bags, face tissue, because I'm always blowing my nose, some Lysol. I should have grabbed 2 of these. Next time I will. I got 2 of these candles. These are new at Walmart. I love the look of them. And the glow one, oh, it smells so good. And then I also got this scent. So I got 2 of the glow. I got 2 of the glow and I got 2 of the calm. It smells so fresh and so good. And then in addition to my other smell goods, I got some Glade plug-in refills. And this is the Sky and Sea Salt scent. I actually didn't even scratch and sniff, so let's see if I like it. I hope. Okay, nice and fresh. It smells good. I like that. All right, so that is all I got from Walmart. Like I said, I didn't run over to Cosmoprof because I was starting to get really hungry. I was also on hold with my bank. That's really what set my mood and turned it in a different way, but we're turning it back now. And then I went over to Panera, got me some lunch. I got a tomato soup, a Caesar salad, some bread, and a lemonade. That was good. But that's it for today. I don't know if I'm gonna tie this up in another video or if this is gonna be it.
so. You make me so, 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 so.
Today is a whole new day of this vlog, so I think we have like 3 days crammed into this vlog, which is good because it gives you a longer vlog. So yesterday's portion of the vlog didn't go as I planned. I'm gonna try to do it again today, but I'm not making no promises because yeah, you see what happened yesterday. But there's this like idea that I have in my head that I want to get out into a video, so we'll see. If it's not today, another day it'll get done. But I am just setting up right now. It is like 7:30 in the morning. My first client is at 8 o'clock. We have 4 services today, 3 clients. So my first client is a light volume fill, and then I have another light volume fill with the brow wax, and then lastly I have a classic fill. So we have a pretty good steady day, especially because Fridays are my half days. So let me get that light out of the way. Especially because Fridays are my half days, so this will be like I have to kind of cram my clients in for okay, so the light is behind me, so I kind of have to cram my clients in for Fridays, which can be a little hectic, but my kids get out early on Fridays, so I set my schedule up to align with my kids' schedule because mom life. So right now I'm gonna just prep my stuff for my brow wax, and I've already got 2 of my clients set because those were the 2 that I was aware of yesterday. And then at like 1 o'clock this morning, another client booked the 2 services. So I'm going to set her stuff up now just so that my morning goes smoothly. I also ordered an Instacart because I'm out of like my little groceries. And, you know, us Lash artists, it's hard for us to get some food in. So I try to have something on hand to nibble on throughout the day because we can't be wasting away. So for the brow wax, I like to use 2 of these. 2 of these, and usually like 4 of these little slimmer ones. Grab out some gloves. Some wax strips, and I need to refill up this whole container. A little piece of paper towel just to cleanse the area once I'm all done. Wipe away any residue. I'm gonna grab a tweezer. And the brow portion is pretty much ready to go. I've got all my Satin Smooth stuff here. I do not use powder for brow waxing, so that is all set. I do want to give you guys a tour of my IKEA sideboard. So if you guys want that, just comment down below. IKEA sideboard tour or something like that. We gotta light our candle.
I got things are so pretty around this time of the year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a Shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed